In this video, we'll make comparisons between line graphs and bar charts. This is a bar chart and this is a line graph. In the line graph, we've shown weather temperature in Birmingham in the first week of March 2019. So we've got Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday, and we've shown what the temperature was on those days. And as you can see, you've got temperature being low to begin with at 5 degrees Celsius, going up, remaining the same for 2 days and then going up again. So we've got temperature rising till Thursday, and then we see a drop on Friday to pick up again on Saturday and reach the peak on Sunday with 11 degrees Celsius. So what this line graph is showing us is the trend. How is the temperature changing? It's the same city but different days. So we can see patterns through line graphs. We've got time at the bottom and the line shows the patterns or the changes. Whereas in a bar chart, look at what we do. We've got bars. We haven't got dots that are joined together to show any pattern, but this is to contrast. This is to compare and contrast. So we've got Birmingham, we've got Leeds and London, so the three cities. Again, temperature in degrees Celsius, and so it's weather temperature on average in March 2019 in Birmingham, Leeds and London. So what does this show us? Can we join these together? No, we can't, because it's not the same city and we're not showing temperature for the same city, but we're kind of comparing which bar is the highest, which one is the lowest, and so on. So if you compare Birmingham with Leeds, it seems like Birmingham was warmer during March. So London had the hottest temperature in comparison to the three. Leeds had the coldest temperature. So what we're using the bar charts for is to compare and contrast, whereas the line graph is more to show the patterns, the changes that have happened during the time. You could also have this being shown in a bar chart, and you can see the height of the bar charts changing to notice the pattern again. However, you cannot put the data that we have in this bar chart into a line graph because there is no continuity. There is not one thing that you want to see how it's changing, like temperature or sales, profit that you've made during a month.